Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 things you can try in the field if you're seeing a vertical bust. The first thing you're going to want to check is the HI measurement on your base and rover. There's 2 spots you can measure to, so make sure you have the right one selected. On the S321, the slant height measurement is to the top of the orange band, and on the S631 models and the E600H models, the slant height measurement is to the notch right on the side. The next thing you're going to want to check is your Geoid file. You might have one when you don't want one, or need one but not have one set. I'm showing you here in Carlson SurvCE and MicroSurvey's FieldGenius how to double check that. The last thing to check is in your localization, if you're holding all your points vertical or just one. If you're holding more than one vertical, you might be creating an inclined plane without meaning to. Here I'm showing you how to double check that and turn off vertical on one of the points in Carlson SurvCE and MicroSurvey FieldGenius. That's all for today. Remember, if you're still seeing the bust or you have any other questions, you can always give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.